Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you all how to get free money on GTA 5 quick and easy. I've seen so many videos on YouTube of how to do this. You got to go to this certain location, type in this amount of numbers on your phone, guys. None of that ever works, guys. Just stick around and I'll show you guys how to get free money on GTA. Easy, quick, for free. It's legal. You're not going to get banned from GTA, none of that. But before we get into that, I have a giveaway going on for a red iPhone XR. So if you guys would like to enter that giveaway, just like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want the phone for. Alright guys, let's get into this video.
The first step, you just want to open up Google, and then you want to go to the website that I have linked down below. It should bring up this site right here. What you want to look for is GTA 5 Money Plus Plus. I see it right here. You're going to go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to bring you right here. Just click download GTA 5 Money Plus Plus. So what this is going to do, it's going to prepare the phone to be able to download GTA 5 Money Plus Plus, which is essentially just an app that will give you a generate button to actually generate the money to your account. So once you open up the account, it will ask you for what system you play on and what your gamer tag is. So that way it knows what account exactly to send this money to. But before that, you got to go through this captcha completion challenge. So all you got to do here, you just got to go through these 4 simple offers and follow their instructions. So we'll take Norton for example. Just click plus free and then OK. The instructions for that were just to install the app and then run it for 30 seconds. So all you got to do is install this app, and then once it's opened, you just got to tap around in here for 30 seconds. Once you do that, you want to go back, and then you want to do the next offer, and then you want to do all the instructions until all offers are completed. Sometimes you may have a survey to do. In that case, you just have to complete the survey. So once you guys do all of the offers, then it will download the GTA 5 Money Plus Plus app to your phone, so you can generate that money to your account.
Okay guys, so once you have completed all of those steps, you should have the GTA 5 Money Plus Plus app. Just remember guys, be careful with how much money you generate onto your account, because like I said, we've seen people go over 100 million and stay on GTA, and we've seen people go over 100 million and then they'll get banned on GTA. It's just my personal preference to stay at 90 million just to be safe. So guys, if you have any problems with that, just leave your social media down in the comment section below and I will get back to you guys on that. I will DM you and I'll help you out with any problems that you have. And don't forget, I got this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away. So guys, if you want to enter this giveaway, just like, subscribe, and comment what you need the phone for down in the comment section below. See you guys.